rise due to that east wind that's coming in at that angle. But let's talk about over here, Pensacola, Panama City. We're seeing a little bit of a rise right now, but we're likely to see things get very, very bad, especially during the day tomorrow, as this potentially major hurricane makes the landfall sometime between the afternoon and evening hours. So here is the potential for that water rise. Has strengthened yet again, just 1 mile per hour shy of becoming a
2 days we go to Disney, so naturally
110 miles per hour now is still a very high-end category 2, moving north at 12 miles per hour, and unfortunately still on a track for the panhandle of Florida, likely to still be a very strong hurricane, possibly even a major hurricane, as it makes a landfall sometime tomorrow.
Well, okay, let's go pack.
Again, this is
like Tallahassee, and even as far inland as Georgia, even into portions of South Carolina. Take a look at the hurricane warnings. We've got them spread across the Florida Panhandle. Everyone from Pensacola all the way back towards east of Tallahassee under that hurricane warning, and that does extend into parts of southeastern Alabama and much of southwest Georgia. Bainbridge, Lake Seminole, Thomasville, Grady County, all included in that hurricane warning. And but it's going to be sometime early morning.
Okay, well, it's time for ready to pack. Have a lot of stuff here. And of course, very important, magic bands, and the travel documents, including luggage tags. You can see we're ready. These are all very important, and I have 2 helpers who want to help. I just have to make sure they don't get packed by mistake, which is entirely possible. As soon as they heard I was going to Disney, then you can imagine, got my poncho for the hurricane. I also have umbrellas. So we're not taking any chances. Hurricanes or not, we're going to be ready for just about anything, I hope. The guys seem to think so anyway. Well, that part was simple enough. It's much easier to pack coming home because all you do is shove your stuff into the suitcase. And here it has to be at least neatly folded to start with because we don't want to look terrible when we go anywhere. But let's see if we can get a little more done here, guys. Could you, yeah, thank you. Yes, and you too. I'm sure everything is just going to go along just fine. I just hope there's enough room in the resort. And I hope the ride isn't too bumpy. At any rate, we'll all be seeing you in just 2 days, so stay tuned. Because it's gonna be something, really something. Yep, we're ready to go. Okay, all packed up, and we're ready to go.